I think you're going to be very surprised on how easily these headlights come out. There's only 4 bolts and 3 plugs really that are all just keeping it in place. So you've got these 8mm right here at the top, here and here. Now make sure to set those aside in a different spot because you're going to reuse these and they're different from the lower ones that we're going to take out here in just a second. But the rest, if you look down right here past the blue plug, straight down underneath on a horizontal plate, is an 8mm bolt, and then right here between the box and the bulb assembly right here, straight down past the brown and yellow wire. It's a little hard to see. It's easy to see with my eye, candidly. Right down right there is the other one. So take those 4 bolts out, undo the plugs, and it's your typical BMW, press on the tab and then wiggle the plug, and then the plug comes off just like that. So take those out. The big plug right here you don't have to take out because that's part of this big box, and this is going to come out with a whole assembly that we're going to transfer to the new headlights. So go ahead and do all of that and then very gently slide the whole assembly forward. You're going to get the headlight out, you're going to get that rear box that comes with it, and then you're going to have a trim piece that goes underneath the headlight that we're going to transfer to the new one. But we'll deal with that once it's out. Okay, so there's really only one thing you need to transfer, and that would be the controller box for your primary headlight. So you can unplug it at this point by just turning and twisting the plug, and you can do this at your workbench. I'm just going to do it sitting here in front of the car. Not a big deal. The cable comes out of all these little holders, and then this is a T20 that holds this bracket in place. So go ahead and just take that off, and then take the bracket off, and then you can just pull the box right out.